Subscribe to my channel so as not to miss new releases. 91 interesting facts about animals for children. There are a huge number of animal species in our world. From the smallest insect to the largest mammalian whale, each animal has its own unique set of characteristics and interesting facts that we don't know about. Here we have compiled some of the most astounding, surprising and interesting facts about animals that you may never have known. We're sure you'll be amazed by most of them. Amaze your friends with your new knowledge. 91 interesting animal facts for kids. 1. Ostriches are some of the fastest animals. They run faster than horses. And male ostriches are known to roar like lions. 2. The housefly has a very short lifespan of 14 days. 3. Although they belong to the same family, snow leopards differ from lions and tigers when it comes to their roars. Snow leopards cannot roar because of their underdeveloped vocal cords. 4. A chicken that has just lost its head can run across a soccer field before dropping dead. 5. Bats are the only mammals that have the ability to fly. 6. A chameleon can focus its eyes separately to observe two objects at once. 7. Cats sleep up to 18 hours a day, but they often wake up to check that their environment is still safe. 8. Everyone knows that kangaroos jump from one place to another several meters at a time. However, very few people know that they use their tail to jump. Therefore, without a tail, kangaroos can't jump at all. 9. Spiders are creepy little insects. On average, about 50,000 species of spiders crawl through the green grass. 10. The stripes on the tiger's body are not only on his fur, but are imprinted on his skin. Consequently, no tiger in the world has a similar pattern of stripes on its body. 11. The heart of a hedgehog beats 300 times per minute. 12. The longest recorded flight of a chicken is 13 seconds. 13. The tallest dog in the world is a German Great Dane, and the heaviest dog is a Saint Bernard. 14. Gorillas tend to catch colds and have many human diseases. 15. Cattle are capable of producing 180 liters of saliva in one day. 16. A lion living in wild forests does not kill more than 20 victims in 1 year. 17. The lioness is known to hunt 90% of the food killed for her family. 18. One species of ant, named Mycocephalus smithii, does not require male ants to reproduce. Their queens are able to reproduce clones without having to follow the normal reproduction process. 19. The arrangement of the donkey's eyes helps it see all four legs at all times. 20. Butterflies can only see red, green, and yellow. 21. The Chow Chow is the only dog breed in the world that does not have a pink tongue like other dogs, it is black. 22. Aquatic creatures such as crocodiles, whales, alligators, dolphins, turtles, and water snakes that have been underwater for a very long time tend to drown. 23. A bee visits about 75 flowers at one time. 24. Dogs have about 1,700 taste buds. 25. Chinese farmers are known to keep almost half of the world's pigs on their farms. 26. Some worms eat themselves when they cannot find food. 27. Dogs have better eyesight than humans. However, what dogs see is not as colorful as what people see. 28. Surprisingly, deer don't have gallbladders. 29. Fireflies are the only creatures that give off light without giving off heat. 30. A baby elephant can drink more than 80 liters of milk in a day. 31. There are different types of zebra. Each type of zebra differs in the pattern of stripes on their body. 32. To escape from the jaws of a crocodile, you must press your thumb into the eyeball of the predator. This will force it to release its death grip. 33. Fleas are capable of jumping 200 times their own height, which is similar to a man jumping over the Empire State Building in New York City. 34. Hippos can run faster than humans. 35. His eye is bigger than its own brain. 36. Sharks are immune to cancer. 37. A cow has 4 stomachs. It is capable of producing harmful methane gas, which can fill about 40-liter bottles in one day. 38. A cat has 32 muscles in each ear, which gives it very good hearing. 39. The salamander is the largest amphibian, growing up to 1.5 meters in length. 40. When a hen incubates her eggs, she turns them over about 50 times a day. 41. Jellyfish evaporate in the sun because they are composed of 98% water. 42. Bats cannot walk because the bones in their legs are very thin. 43. Dogs have such superior hearing that they can detect the source of sound in 1/600th of a second. 44. Elephants and humpback whales are the only mammals that undergo menopause. 45. A species of spider called the tarantula has the ability to survive without food for more than 2 years. 46. The lifespan of 75% of wild birds is about 6 months. 47. The largest giant squid ever found weighed 3,628.74 kilograms. 48. Camels use their humps to store fat, which can be turned into food and water if necessary in extreme situations. 49. Snow leopards also eat vegetation, grass and twigs, in addition to eating animals such as sheep and goats. 50. Titanomyrma giganteum was the largest and found. It was 6.1 centimeters long, and had a wingspan of 15.24 centimeters. 51. Snakes are true carnivores because they eat nothing but animals and absolutely no plant material. 52. Bees can see ultraviolet light. 53. The tentacles of the giant Arctic jellyfish can reach 36.6 meters. 54. When a dog is feeling hot, it tends to sweat through its claw pads. She lies down on the floor and begins to take short and quick breaths, as if panting. This helps the dog cool down quickly. 55. A bat can eat up to 1,000 insects an hour. 56. Zebras are black-skinned animals covered with white fur and black stripes over it. 57. The lemon shark grows 24,000 new teeth each year. 58. Lobsters have blue blood. 59. The roar of an adult lion is so loud that it can be heard up to 8 kilometers away. 60. The mosquito has 47 teeth. 61. Cows are able to sleep standing up. However, they also need a fuller sleep lying down, but cows cannot stay in this position for more than a few hours in a row either. 62. The blue whale weighs as much as 30 elephants. 63. An alligator is capable of living up to 100 years. 64. Rats reproduce so fast that in 18 months 2 rats can have over 1 million offspring. 65. Pigs are some of the smartest animals. They are the third most intelligent animal on the list after primates and cetacean mammals. 66. The average fox can weigh up to 6.3 kilograms, and the elephant tooth can weigh up to 4.2 kilograms. 67. If a scorpion is injected with even a small drop of alcohol, it will go insane and bite itself to death. 68. Ants do not sleep, and they also have no lungs. 69. There are about 40 known breeds of cats in the world. The most popular breed in the world is the Persian cat, as it has been since 1871 until today. 70. Rodents never stop growing. 71. The Tasmanian devil is the largest carnivorous animal on the planet. 72. The average hen lays about 260 eggs a year. 73. Cats can hear ultrasound. 74. The flamingo bird can only eat when its head is upside down. 75. An African butterfly can kill up to 6 cats with venom from its body. 76. The baby kangaroo is only 2.5 centimeters long after birth, the size of a queen bee. 77. The whale's heart beats only 9 times a minute. 78. The mosquito is the deadliest animal on Earth. This horrible mosquito carries malaria, yellow fever, and encephalitis. 79. The grasshopper is capable of making jumps that are 20 times its own height. 80. Animals can produce 30 times more waste than humans, amounting to up to 1.4 billion tons per year. 81. There are 1 million ants for every person in the world. 82. The snow leopard's nose is small, but it has a wide nasal cavity inside that allows the air that is inhaled to heat up before it reaches this predator's lungs. 83. The cricket's ears are located on its front legs just below the knee. 84. Polar bears are the largest predators in the world. 85. The creature most likely to survive a nuclear war is the cockroach. It is highly resistant to radiation. 86. The rhinoceros beetle is the strongest animal in the world. It can lift 850 times its own weight. 87. Squirrels cannot see red. 88. The shark lays the largest eggs in the world. 89. The only turtle species that lives in the open ocean is the sea turtle. 90. The hummingbird makes 60 to 80 wing flaps per second. 91. A hungry mouse can eat its own tail. If you like the video, you have to like it and subscribe.